Brandon Flaherty from MarineMax. We're aboard a 2015 51 Sea Ray Sundancer. We just took it on trade and we have 341 hours on the vessel. Full services just completed. Come take a walk through. You have an upper salon and a lower salon. Upper salon has a nice L-shaped seating area, great access, pocketing, sliding glass doors. Serving bar to starboard and flat screen TV mounted on the wall. You have Ray Marine Hybrid Touch chart plotters. The boat is Cummins Zeus with a joystick. Now we'll move to the lower salon. Have a great atrium effect in here. Gives you 2 stories. Provides a lot of light down into the galley area. Another entertainment center. Full Bose surround sound. Forward, you have a queen berth, center line. Have access into a bath, a shepherd stall shower. Also have access to use the head as a day head. Then all the way aft, you have a full beam master stateroom with its own private in-suite, head and shower, and large flat screen TV on the wall in front of the bed as well. Thank you for doing the walkthrough. You can reach me at Fort Myers MarineMax, 239-481-8200. I'm Brandon Flaherty. Thank you.